Hello everyone, welcome back to again on my channel, myself Naveen. And in previous video I explained about the biosphere, water bodies, and this time I am going to explain about the lithosphere and continent. So listen carefully and please give me some reaction on my video how it is. So thank you so much. Let's see, I am going to explain. So in previous already I mentioned that I explained about the biosphere, which is a parts of earth surface and atmosphere in which plants, animals can live together, that is also known as the habitat. So biosphere is consist of lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. So already I explained about the hydrosphere, that all the water bodies the earth's surface such as lakes and sea oceans known as the hydrosphere. And I am going to explain about the lithosphere. So lithosphere is the surface of earth where soil, rocks and sands are found, where we live together. That is a outer part of the earth known as the lithosphere. And even the meaning of litho means also is soil and sand, and a sphere means layer. So that is a lithosphere. So I am going to explain about the continents, because continents is a part of lithosphere. So continents is any of several large geographical regions which is a land mass where we are surviving, that is divided in 7 continents in the world. So first one is the Asia. So Asia is the largest continent in the world, that is expanded from the eastern Mediterranean Sea to the western Pacific Ocean, and there are total 48 countries in Asia. And next, second one is the Africa. So Africa is the second largest continent in the world, which covers an area of more than 3 times of United States, and it is connected to the Asia by the Isthmus of Suez in Egypt through the, and that is a Suez Canal, which is the largest canal in the world also, which is connect from the Red Sea to Mediterranean Sea. So even Africa has total 55 countries, that is known as the African Union, which is recently added as a member of G20 summit in Delhi, which was organized in September 10 and 9 in 2023. That is become as a one of the G20 summit, so it's become nowadays G21. So next one is the North America. So North America is the third largest continent, extended from Altarian Island in the northwest to the Isthmus of Panama in south. And you know that very well, Panama Canal, which is also one of the canal which separate the Pacific Ocean to Atlantic Ocean and connect the North America to South America continent. And the continent include the easternmost island of Greenland in northeastern. So North America. So next one is the South Africa, is the fourth one. So South America is the fourth largest continent in the world, which is extended from the Somni of the Caspian Sea to the water near the Atlantic Circle. And South America consists of 12 countries such as the Chile, Argentina, Brazil, Peru and etc. And next one is the Antarctica. So Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in terms of area, that is also a very unique continent because of that is does not have a native human population there, and there is no any country in Antarctica continent. And even the highest peak of Antarctica continent is Mount Vinson, which is so popular also. And Antarctica is so popular for a space center. Many countries established the space center in Antarctica. And next, sixth one is the Europe. So Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world, which contains just 7% of the world land, and it is slightly larger than Canada country. and the population of Europe is more than twice of South America. There are total 50 countries, but 44 of them have their capital in Europe. And I will explain about why it is in Europe and only 44. I will explain about that. And last one and seventh one is the Oceania. So Oceania is the world's smallest continent in the world, which is sometimes we can also, some people used to say Australia, but correct name is Oceania. And there are total 14 countries with Oceania, such as the Australia and New Zealand and New Guinea. So, and I am going to explain about the transcontinental countries. Because of transcontinental countries is the world, this is also one continent which is transcontinental, means that transcontinental nations are countries which are located on more than one continent, such as the Europe and Asia and some another continent. So that is known as the transcontinental continent. So there are mainly 6 transcontinental continent popular in the world country name. So these are the mainly 6 transcontinental countries, such as Egypt, that is located in Asia and Africa continent, Azerbaijan, which is located in Asia and Europe, Georgia, which is also located on Asia and Europe continent, Kazakhstan, which is also located on Asia and Europe continent, Russia, which is also located on Asia and Europe continent, and Turkey, which is also located on Asia and Europe continent. So Egypt is the only one country which is located in Asia and Africa. Otherwise, 5th countries is located in Asia and Europe, such as Azerbaijan, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Russia, and Turkey. So I hope I explained very well about the continent, and even we know that very well Russia is the largest country in the world according to area wise, which is located in 2 continents, in Asia and Europe. That region it is also known as the Eurasia, and the Ural mountain divide Russia in 2 parts, in Asia and Europe. And the smallest country in the world, that is a Vatican City, that is also a holy see, known as the, it is a very smallest city country in the world, that is a so sacred country. I think that is surrounded by Italy and Spain. And even we know that very well nowadays India, the population of India crossed the China. So India become as the first largest country in the world according to population wise, 1.45 billion population, followed by China as a second position. And even Vatican City is also the smallest country in the world according to population wise. So let's see, this is the beaches of Dwarika. It is a very neat and clean beach also, and the water is purely blue, and the wave is also coming very fast, and I am also feeling very relaxed here. There is no any kind of words that I can explain here. So let's